Hello Libra, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your weekly prediction from 28th September to 4th October 2020. Let me remind you, these are general energies. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, you can always reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. Before I start the session, I'd like to give you a sound healing session. Please close your eyes, take a deep breath, hold your breath for 3 seconds and then release very slowly. Once you are done with this session, please open your eyes slowly and align with the energies. Looking at your weekly energies, you've got the Ace of Cups and the Outsider. So the Ace of Cups here indicates that you could be starting something new. This could be a new job. This could be a new love relationship. You are reminded that you don't have to, entertain all sorts of arguments, all sorts of disappointments. Anybody who's just giving their opinion, you don't really have to take it. You can just hear it and move forward. You don't have to participate in every disagreement that you have. There is definitely a new cup that is being offered to you, or you might be offering this to someone. Or a new work opportunity, a new job, a new project that has been your passion. You could be converting that into your profession, which is great. On the love front, we've got Seven of Cups and the Fool. Seven of Cups indicate here that this could not be the connection that you've been wanting. Things look very different from what they are on the on the inside. Be very careful for what you wish for, because it might just come true, and this is not something that you would enjoy in the long run. On the other end, the person you are dealing with has the Fool energy. They may not be very serious. They may act very immature towards the relationship. They might even prioritize their friendships or their other casual relationships over your relationship, and this is something that is going to put you off. They are not very serious, and this is not something that you've been looking at. On the love front, we've got Two of Swords and Four of Pentacles. Okay, so Two of Swords here indicates that you've got a choice to make, something which has head against your heart. You might have been wanting to put your energy, your resources into something that you've been wanting to do, but you could also be very, very very greedy about your own resources. You could be very limiting in terms of your own resources. You don't want to give in to everything. You could be holding on materialistically. You could be holding on to your finances. You don't want to give you don't want to spend your own finances in getting your own dreams done, or someone you've been looking at to invest in something that you've been doing is not ready to invest because they don't want to give in the finances. There is a choice to be made. Please write the pros and cons of both the choice. Make a very informed decision, because there's a confusion. Do not take an action if possible this week, because the energies don't look like it. And if you can, you need to take a few advices from someone who's been into the same situation and see what they could contribute to the situation, Libra. On the health front, if we see, we've got the temperance and projections. Temperance here, temperance and projections. So we've got two sevens, two seven of cups. Definitely need to be on the outlook. Do not have any casual experiences when it comes to having fun. Temperance here can indicate that anything that can be done in a very intense or a hot or a fast manner could also relate to fevers, burns, intemperate behavior going too far. It can also indicate infections from foreign lands, from people who are foreign to you, sports injuries, problems with your hips, thighs, and female issues when it comes to menstruation and other related things. Looking at the advices that we have for you, unrequited love, there's not enough in attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. An advice from your spirit animal, honor your soul's purpose. And if there has been a question on your mind that you've been thinking about, the answer is in the near future. The advice for you, the crystal for you this week is the crystal for you for this week is bloodstone and labradorite. This is going to help you from any unknowing difficulty that could be coming your way. So Libra, this was your weekly prediction. Please let me know how you find it. If please write to me in the comment section below, because that is the only way I come to know how you if my readings are aligned with you or no. And until I do the next reading, please share Ruhani Guidance, like, share, subscribe, and stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.